Alright, Roblox The Butchery. It's a horror game where you and your friends end up driving at the middle of the night and you find this strange pig, and now you're stuck in a house with two psychotic brothers. So now it's you and your friend's job to survive the night and probably try escape. Alright, without further ado, let's get on with the video.
Alright chat, we're gonna be playing The Butchery.
Looking like a big thunderstorm is forming over that region and will continue to move south.
Imagine calling it chat, literally.
Other news, there are now 17 missing
Okay.
persons cases filed with disappearances traced.
I can't see my body. I don't feel good
On the line with us
looking
now,
at
we
my
have
body.
I can't see my balls.
who's reported her husband missing. Hello, Chief.
Anyways, I'm driving right now.
Darren, why are you driving? You're underage.
It doesn't matter.
Do we have a kid? I hear a kid.
Do you know the saying from the beer to the keys and the car to the tree.
From the screen to the ring to the bend to the key.
I'm in the thick of it. Everybody knows. Hey, y'all want to sing along in the car? It's a butthole. What the
Why
frick
does it
is
look like
that?
that? Oh, brother. Is that a pig?
That pig that got an
Pig
ass.
with human balls?
Oh my god.
Run him over.
Dude, you gotta.
Look at the window.
Butchery. The Butchery. Coming soon, December 2025.
A guy.
You stay tough! What did you feed it? Those hitchhikers from last week.
Oh my goodness.
Well, looky here! Finally awake! I was beginning to think you were dead!
Really?
Welcome to Cottonwood Farm! I'm Jackson!
What's up with this one's face?
William! What did I say about showing some respect
What,
when we have
black
guests?
Because he's black, isn't he?
You're acting like a damn fool, Jackson.
What are you talking about me?
Yeah, he's talking about you, because you're.
You were brought here tonight for a special reason. The Lord wants us to show everyone our gift. And we cannot disappoint the Lord.
This little piggy was very naughty, getting loose and scaring you out there on the road. But don't worry, he's getting a brand new home.
What do you mean he's getting
Am I gonna eat it? What the frick? Oh my god. What the frick? It was gonna touch me. It's sniffing my sword. Dude, it's sniffing. Get out!
Well, I've got a pig to catch.
Well, I've got a pig to catch.
Well, no. Can I have that knife? I can cut balls with that thing.
Of course you can.
We can move now. And we can run! We can run!
Ooh.
Can we jump? Reach inside. Alright. Let me put my hand in there. Nothing bad will happen.
Is there a rat?
There's a spider in my hand now! Oh.
Oh, really? Oh, look, a
Kind of.
hole.
Cute. I have an inventory. Oh.
Looks like there's some kind of button back there. We need like a stick or something.
I have this one.
Can you click it? Oh, you clicked
Do
it.
you have the hammer?
No, you can't take the hammer.
Doesn't work. Let's go out.
Bozo.
We press the button. E to close the door. Oh. What is that?
Oh, frick.
I got a coin.
You gotta
Q. Look. Look.
I got a first aid
Look
kit.
at my coin.
I got like a med kit. Oh, what?
I got it. I got a med. I got a med kit too.
Is that a frog? What is that?
Cat. That's a cat. That's a cat statue.
A cat statue?
Yeah.
What do you need that for?
I don't know. Look.
Ooh,
Oh, we have to find a way downstairs. Look.
we gotta. Y'all wanna watch Jujutsu Kaisen? y'all want to watch?
Definitely need to take better
We
care
got a
of
bird
the food
statue.
Oh. Where does the bird go? You got this bird, right?
Oh yeah, I got the bird. So wait, here, the bird.
So it goes next to red roses. You put it.
There we go. Alright.
Where's the cat? Where does the cat go? I have the cat. Next to a green flower. Next to a green flower.
Green flower.
Is it back there? Is it back here?
Yeah, I think
I think I saw it back here.
Is it this one?
No, here's
No.
here's the. Oh, does it go here?
It's locked.
Are you at the Diddy party? Cause I am.
Oh my god! Oh god!
What
oh,
happened?
Run, run, run. Oh yeah, he's chasing us. Oh god, we're trapped, we're trapped.
He ate my guy.
Good.
Close the door. No, I killed her.
Dude, where are you? Oh wait, no.
Damn it!
I'm gonna go out. Okay.
I've been into that. The fuck do you mean they don't have it? Dude, I put the cat and the horse at the right spot. What do we do now? Get the fuck
Go, go, go.
We did
finally.
it.
I'm gonna die.
You have it?
Oh, this costs
I have
Robux.
Robux. Oh man, I don't have money.
I got no money. Me gonna die. Do you have Do you have
I have a money.
No, do you have a med pack?
I'm gonna buy one. I bought it. Do you want it? If we die, are we gonna go back up? I ate it. Handgun! I gotta have a handgun. Drop me the bullets. Drop me the bullets. You said you have bullets.
I only have like 5. No, I mean like.
Just have to find some ammo. Let's go. I have
Do you
5
have
ammo.
any meds? Do you have any med packs?
No.
Because I'm dying.
I ate the last one. I would really want to shoot, but I'm not going to.
Oh my god.
Shoot it.
This town ain't big enough for the both of us.
Okay, let's go. Ammo. Box cutter. What do I do with a damn box cutter? Cut your balls off? It's locked. It's locked. This town ain't big enough for the both of us.
High noon. It's high noon.
This way? Oh, this was good. 1, 2, 3, 4.
How do you have so
5.
much?
Pick it up. It's just 5. I have 10 ammo and 4 on my gun.
Oh, okay.
Shit! I wasted it. Where can I? Oh! I can move these. Can we like go up from here? No. This door is locked. Oh! Clock hand, Ross, I found it! I
Oh,
solved
what?
the mystery.
Where are you? Where are
I
you?
solved it. I opened the box. Go to the clock. Go to the clock. Oh, here.
What did you get?
Oh wait. What's the time? What's the time? Yeah,
Wait, I can do
One more. Yes.
Got it. Ooh, key.
Oh yeah.
It's a laundry key.
I got it. What do we do with the laundry key?
Here.
Oh no. Oh, I know where it is going.
No, it's not this one.
Is this one?
Oh, sorry, dude. I thought you were one of the brothers for a second there. Dude,
Oh.
you have no idea how good it feels to see another person's face who's not trying to kill me. Listen, I'm in the same situation as you right now, dude, and we don't have a lot of time.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
There, the garden. That's our best way out of here. They've, like, chained off the whole porch, but there's a door over there. I saw the brothers with the key not too long ago.
Well, I'd say the pig was a big success. You really should trust my ideas more often.
You weren't the one that had to catch it.
Hello.
Did you find that other guy? The dumb one with the baseball cap?
He got away. I
Don't
noticed the
with a
clock's been
baseball cap.
open, so they've
Hey,
gotten
dude,
this
you got a
far.
baseball cap too.
But don't worry, he'll turn up eventually.
Give me my damn gun!
go this way.
Bitches.
Oh, I swear to
Yeah,
God,
then?
if that's the pig again,
No, it's not a pig. The pig
Sit.
is dead.
put out your guns. I'm gonna go kaboom kaboom at you.
First. Wait a second. What did I just hit? I got an. Oh. First aid med. I got him some med kits. Book. You get in the morning, the lion looked to the east. Where
Lion?
the sun shone bright. Yeah, lion. You read it. Oh yeah. East, north, south. East, north, south, south.
The bed is covered in some kind of
East,
growth.
north. Oh, wait. Where's east? Where's east? Oh yeah. North, south, east, west.
What's locked on the other side?
Yeah. East. North.
I see a dead body.
South. Got him, bitch. Got the
Who's that?
lockpick. Got a
Alright,
lockpick.
wait, come here. Come here. Dude,
What?
look. See that?
What lock can I pick?
Feet. Oh. What's happening?
Yeah, I killed the damn cow.
Oh, you
Fuck
killed the cat.
you. Eat it.
L
Suck
cow.
it. Yeah, go.
W.
I used some.
Spider key.
Where?
I got the spider key.
I got a glass bottle.
Okay, wait. Where's the key? Here.
Oh yeah, wait a second. Well, it is nothing. Here, read this. Over here.
Hell spawn.
Did it? Is it dead?
I killed it.
Is it dead?
Killed it.
You killed him?
Killed it.
Good. Okay, come here. Wait a second. What are these?
Coin.
Oh yeah, coin! Come here.
I need ammo. Oh, there's another one.
Shoot it. I shoot it. One.
Not yet.
No! Good ammo? I lost it all.
I only got like 2.
Yeah, shoot him! Shoot him with those 2. He's low. He's damn low. See?
Either.
I want.
Run, bloody.
It did not work. Wrong.
Where we at? Check this out. Oh, I ran. I escaped.
Come. Ross, how much ammo do you have? How many ammos do you have?
4.
Yeah, good. We can kill it. There's another one. Right over here.
And I died. I swear I'm gonna rage quit. Man, I'm
Ross,
gonna break my
Ross.
monitor. I swear. I'm this
Ross.
damn close to.
Ross, come here, come here, come here, come here. Okay. You know what we're gonna do?
What?
You're gonna stay here. I'm gonna go that side. When
Okay.
I get there, just open the door, okay?
Okay. Go.
So I can go and see what's over there. Maybe I find some ammo to kill the damn cow.
You gotta juke him. Alright.
Trapped me in the basement, man! I managed to get away, but dude, there's someone... No, something... I think it has a key.
Dude!
You gotta help me, dude, and quick! I don't know how much longer I can... Wait! Dude! We can talk about this!
Oh wait, I'm inside here. Where am I? I spawned somewhere else.
What do you mean? You spawn somewhere else?
Yeah, I'm here,
Where
I'm
are
here,
you?
I'm here. I got a beetle
that's
key.
good, that's good. Beetle key doesn't work on that. Come here. You got coins?
No. Oh god. Help. What the heck? Oh god. What is that? I survived. Oh. I know the ending.